So today I'm making a pina colada smoothie bowl. It's so delicious and very anti-inflammatory. So first we're adding in our bananas and some pineapples. Pineapples naturally contain bromelain, which is great for the joints, great for any inflammation in the body. And some coconut milk. And some vanilla protein powder. And now we're adding 2 cups of turmeric and standardized curcumin. And now we're going to blend this all up. And now we'll pour into our bowl. And now we'll use our cacao nibs and some flake coconut and our pineapple chunks. And now our orange slices and some more coconut flakes. Our pina colada smoothie bowl.